In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a test order on Shopify. This is really useful when you're setting up a new store or changing your checkout settings and you want to make sure everything works before real customers start buying. We'll walk through enabling a test payment method and then actually placing a test order from your storefront. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This is where all the back-end configuration for your store lives. Inside the settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Payments, then click it. At the top of the Payments page, you'll see a section called Payment Providers. This is where you manage the different ways customers can pay in your store. In this section, look for the button that says Choose a Provider and click on it. A list of third-party payment providers will appear. At the top of that list, you should see an option called Bogus Gateway. This is Shopify's built-in test gateway that lets you simulate payments without charging a real card. Click on Bogus Gateway to open its information page. Then, at the bottom right of that page, click the button to install or activate it. Once that's done, your store is ready to accept test payments. Now let's place a test order. Go back to your main Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, hover over Online Store. When you do that, you'll see a small eye icon appear to the right. Click that eye icon to open a preview of your online store in a new tab. From your storefront preview, click on any product to open its product page. Here, you can either click Add to Cart and then go to your cart and proceed to checkout, or you can click Buy it now to jump straight to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll enter some sample customer information. Add a test email address or phone number, choose a country, then fill in a first and last name, an address, postal code, city, and select a region or state. None of this needs to be real, but it should look like a valid address format. When you reach the payment section, choose the Bogus Gateway as your payment method. For the card number, simply enter the number 1. For the expiration date, use any date in the future. For the security code, type any 3 digits. You can also enter any name you like for the cardholder name. Once everything is filled out, click Pay Now. Wait a moment for it to process. You should then see a confirmation page showing that the checkout was successful and that the order is marked as paid. That means your test order worked and your checkout flow is functioning correctly using the Bogus Gateway.